Well, the reverse lights are not on anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the brake light switch was being activated because it needed to be moved forward, but the bulbs in the headlights were switched, so the reverse lights were the brake lights and the brake lights were the reverse lights.
That explains that.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Hey buddy, guess what kind of gas is going in there? We got Viagra for you, and the stands to Cialis, tree bark. And what happens when you take all that shit and you're the target? That's all you gotta ask yourself what's gonna happen to you. No Diddy.
see all the so-called heavy hitters. Nah, bro.
Let them know any demon, any dodge, anything. You see where we at? Alright, let me show y'all folks what's going on late night. Late night. 1,000 horsepower, SC300 street car. People, I'm outside. Let's talk people action. Sleeper tuning. Thank you. I mean, y'all wrapped it up for me. But we driving, we outside. Nice little snack right there, man. I'm mad we got all this traffic. Not yet, but we're gonna get busy. Yeah. Alright. Don't claim you got a street car and you can't do this in the rain. I'm going all over the place. No cap.